What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to a day in the life as Fifi and the kids. We just got out of Walmart and they putting the stuff up in the car. We just came from 2 different Hobby Lobbies in 2 different locations, and one of them, good thing we did go to the second one because they have different decor, but pretty much the same as the other one, but they have more than the other one. So I'm gonna show you what I got from Hobby Lobby for as my fall decor, and it's so beautiful. And I think I'm done shopping for the fall decor. Thanks to my mom, she bought it for me. She set me up last year for my fall decor, and for this Christmas I'll be buying mine's and her Christmas decor when it goes back on a 50% off sale for Christmas decor. I don't know what theme I'm going for, but that's the plan. We take turns around here, you know what I'm saying? Save money for each of us, but that's what we do as family. We just take turns or whatever. Ain't no big deal. But I got our dinner. Y'all done putting the stuff in the car?
Yeah.
I'm so tired. I'm ready to just call it a night, but I'm waiting on my niece. Her mom to call me. Where my phone at, y'all? Cause I wanted to keep her tonight. I bought ice cream, cake. We celebrating Aiden's 14th birthday. We went to family reunion last weekend, and that vlog haven't popped up yet, but you will see that on a Thursday. I'm gonna call it throwback Thursday. But so we didn't have a chance to celebrate his birthday, but we gonna do a little gathering at the house, rotel, you know, with a cake and all that, and watch a movie, get popcorn and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and get home because it's getting late out here. Y'all good? Everybody in the car?
Yes, but how are you gonna watch a movie?
On TV.
What? I forgot. Some buttery popcorn.
Some buttery, juicy popcorn.
I forgot what the house looked like.
Bye. Ain't no fakeness on this channel, okay? Anyway, we back at we came back from the store. I'm already got my meal cooking right here. Don't mind that, because that's grease I gotta pour out. I don't want to pour it in my sink or outside. I throw it away in the trash bag and put it outside in the trash can. And I'm gonna do that whenever I get ready to do it. I'm trying to prep this food. It's kind of late. It's about 9:32. I've been out ripping and running with my mom, shopping, going to 2 different Hobby Lobbies. Went to Walmart, you know, and I got a little cake for my son Aiden, since we didn't celebrate his birthday last weekend, and we're gonna do it today, okay? Better late than not do it at all, okay? We only get 1 birthday a year, so we're gonna celebrate when we get a chance to celebrate, and tonight is the night. I'm supposed to keep my niece today, but look like she's not coming over today. It's okay. I'll see her bad self tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the stuff that I did get from Hobby Lobby for my fall decor, what I already have from last year and this year. But let me show you what I got for today as this food is cooking, okay? I got these 2 cute little mittens. It's like a yellow color, yellow orangey color, and I got this orange one right here. And I got these cute little decor towels. Welcome to our pumpkin patch, or welcome to our patch, okay? That's my little thing with the little blue truck. You will see as we continue on. Like I said, got the rotel, as my husband called it, the ghetto rotel cooking. That's what we eating tonight. This is my table. This is new, the centerpiece, pumpkin little centerpiece, and some flowers that came from Hobby Lobby. These 2 are extra because I needed more extra plates and table mat, but this is new. Thankful sign, because I sure am thankful for being where I'm at right now, because if it wasn't for the Lord, we won't be here as we speak today. And I got all my little placemat looking good over here. And over here on my fireplace, this is new. It says meet me at the pumpkin patch, because I'm a family of 7 and it's a big family of us. I got 5 children, 2 sets of twins, baby. So I thought this thing would be cute for us. Of course, with the truck, that's a black truck, but I also got the blue truck as well. And it said meet me at the pumpkin patch with the 3 little pumpkins. And this cute little light up blue truck with the orange on there and a cute little sunflower. Harvest blessing, that's a cute little sign. On this couch, I got these 2 pillows, like a burnt orange pillows. And this is new today. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. The change is gonna come in the month of September, and I'm gonna believe it, I'm gonna claim it. A change in income, a change of people in my life, a change of anything, you know, positivity all the rest of this year, because the fall is a proof that change is beautiful, and I'm all about change, baby. Farm fresh pumpkins. I had this last year, got this from Marshall's, and it's by Ray Dunn. Gather pillow, and I got 2 of those, and I put my little orchids on the side. I've been had that when I first moved in, and I thought that was cute with the decor. Let me check on my food. The only thing I gotta do now is find a centerpiece for this table. I might not buy none because, you know, the kids or whatever. I got this keepsake box that I won in bingo at my family reunion. That's a cute box, and it matches my car, my truck theme all over the house. And over there is the thankful sign I had from last year. And plus I got those candles at Sam's Club last year. So this is how my house is looking for the fall. Next month or October, I'll be shopping for Christmas decor for me and my mom. So like I said, we're gonna take turns. Of course, we're gonna catch that 50% off sale. That's for sure. Okay, gotta catch the sales. I'm about to over here burn up my food, because tonight it's still gonna be my night, even though it ain't going the way it is as it's playing right now, okay? But I am happy and thankful that I did go out with my mom, you know, just spend time with my mom this weekend, on this 3-day weekend, Memorial Day. I'm off Monday. I'm a working mom now. Used to be a stay-at-home mom. Thank God I got a job, because ain't nothing like having your own money and help around this household for as bills and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm rambling, so let me go ahead and fix this food, continue to fix this food. And I did get some ice cream. I was gonna do like a movie night. I guess I'm gonna do that tomorrow, since they out of school Monday anyway. He got that little pineapple thing from, where we got that from? Hobby Lobby? Yeah, and I'm about over it tonight. Can you put my candles back? Are you trying to put the batteries back in there? Already messing up my table over there, putting the batteries inside the light. Why you couldn't do that in the living room?
That's not me, that was the living room.
Exactly. But anyway, let me finish this food and I'll holler at y'all later on. I knew I forgot to show y'all something else. I got this, what's it called? A dry mat. When you wash the dish, you place the dish on here for a dry mat. And it matches my theme. Got the blue truck on there with the pumpkins on there. So that's cute. I thought that was cute, so I decided to get that. Only thing I gotta get for that table is some forks, some silverware to place on here for decor only. And I seen some at Hobby Lobby, but they wanted for $79, so 50% off that. Baby, it's still too high for them forks for just decoration. So I might look at Dollar Tree or Walmart or whatever for decorations for as silverware for my table. And they were like bronze and gold anyway. These kids made me buy this. It's called Pirate's Booty. And it's aged white cheddar. I guess they say It's shaped as a booty, but we're gonna see. I never ate this before.
Yeah,
But I really don't want to eat it because it sounds disgusting.
Yeah, I don't want to eat no
But
booty.
these kids ate it already. DJ somebody he don't want to eat no booty.
No, I'm not eating no booty.
These kids so much tomorrow. He don't want no diseases, boy. It's like popcorn. It's not real. Don't mind my kids, okay? But let me eat me some
Mom, these are good.
ghetto town. If you all only knew what I am thinking, you will laugh too, cause this some ghetto tale. If y'all only knew. Anyway, let me eat. What is that? Come closer. Turn around. Turn it the other way. Oh, it's supposed to be shaped as a booty. It looks like a popcorn. Let me see the inside of it. It's a. Put it down so I can see. Oh. Open it up.
It smells kind of. It smells kind of weird.
Hey. Oh. Man, I thought it was a bag full of that. It's only a little bit.
Oh, I thought it was good, but
What it tastes like, DJ?
It's like popcorn.
oh, you know that black popcorn bag?
Yeah, the black water, the black white cheddar popcorn.
Yeah.
Oh.
Get your own.
It did not taste like butter.
The kids and I just got through eating, and it's currently 10:21, and they told me they didn't want no cake right now. Even my son, he said it is kind of late for cake and ice cream right now. So been ripping and running all day. I'm tired. I'm over here looking like Rick James by the head. Let me stop. But so basically we're gonna celebrate his birthday properly at my brother's house tomorrow. We're gonna bring the cake and ice cream there, and it's best to do that anyway because it's late right now and it'll be in a better environment tomorrow. He wants to just share the cake with them, so that'd be perfect. We'll just do that tomorrow. And plus I gotta get my hair done. I need to take this hair down so I can get it done tomorrow. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, welcome to my life. I know it's a short vlog, but I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow. So I see you when I see you. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
The next day.
Now I'm telling y'all doing like it is like it's Oprah or something.
No, you need to do the black folks way.
Y'all ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Now, go ahead and make a wish and blow it out.
Please don't put no juice on the cake.
Yeah, look.
I ain't do
Yay! Big 1-4. Big 1-4.
That shoe, let's make money, man.